about a year ago, I started experiencing minor stress incontinence, and I spoke to lots of people, and they said more women than not have it, and it's fine. And I started doing more jogging, maybe 20 minutes twice a week, and I started getting to the end of the block and needing to pee, and it became irritating. It meant I had to think twice about jogging when I jogged. I'm not a hugely fit person, but I want to be active. And then I got a bout of bronchitis. And that was the end of wanting to put up with stress incontinence. I decided I needed to do something. A couple of friends had been here straight after they'd had babies in a very sensible fashion. I was 5 years after having a baby. I really thought I was a hopeless case. I thought maybe I had some physical deformity I was never going to recover from. I don't know. And I came in with, I have to say, very low expectations. And the first few weeks we did assessments, we checked where I was at, gave me some exercises. And I muddled through them. I have to say I got fairly downhearted. And after 2 weeks I was very, very frank and said, look, I think I'm, lost cause. At which point there was much humour. And it turned out that I was just trying too hard. And my poor body that had had no connecting in a physical sense for 4 or 5 years as I looked after my small children, couldn't cope with the level of attention that I was giving it and the strength I was applying to all the exercises. And so I was taught to kind of gradually reconnect. And there are various things that you do while you're here at the clinic that seem to not to connect, but after a number of weeks you begin to realise that your body is making connections it hadn't been making for years. And gently, I began to do better. I have run 2 5Ks and not needed to stop, and I have sneezed without disaster many times since. I feel really, I don't know, I feel completely empowered, and if it starts to slip again, I know exactly where I need to come back to or what I need to look to regain control of my nether regions. So I am a very happy customer.